Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to check your internet speed on your Android device without using any app. So for this guys, just open any web browser on your device. After opening in the Google, you want to search net speed test Google. Like this you want to search, and here you can get this type of interface, and here you can get one option, run speed test. Just tap on it. From here guys, you can easily check your internet speed, download and upload speed on your Android device without using any app. As you can see, after the speed testing is completed, you can get your final result also. As you can see, my download speed is 18.9 mbps and my upload speed is 18.8 mbps. So you can also get the final result of your internet speed. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very useful video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.